a very special day. We have 12 of our patrons flying in. Somehow they happen to get all on the same flight, and they're flying into Grenada for 4 or 5 days of diving, and we're coming to pick them up and surprise them Grenadian style with beers.
Cooler full of beers?
Beers.
Every time we've come to Grenada, we've flown into Grenada, we're always met by somebody that lives here with a cooler full of beers. And to be able to do that for the patrons, like, I don't know, you could see the look on their face. They had no idea what they were getting themselves into, and then we show up at the airport with a cooler full of, welcome to the Caribbean.
Thank you. Good to meet you. Finally get to welcome to Grenada.
Ray. Oh, nice to meet you too.
How did we come up with this patron group idea? We did a similar kind of thing with LTD sailing here in Grenada, where we had a big group of people come down and go sailing and get their ASA certifications. And that went really well. It was really cool. We got to meet a bunch of patrons, and they got to go sailing, and they got their certification, and it worked out perfect. And then we're good friends with Robin here from Aquanauts Grenada, and we were sitting down at the bar one night. I was like, man, we should do that as a dive trip. Like, we should do this whole group dive trip for our patrons, because Aquanauts and True Blue Resort are connected. The next day, we were having a meeting with the guys and telling them, yeah, we're gonna have a big group come down, and we're gonna go diving and stay in your hotels, and it's gonna be a win-win-win for everyone. We wanna meet all of our patrons, and all the patrons wanna come down and go diving. So it's like everyone kind of wins off the deal, and it was fair for everybody.
I'm gonna go first. Hey, I'm Bill Butler from Nashville, Tennessee.
And I'm Karen Butler from Nashville, and we're so happy to be here.
Charlie Chaplin, I'm from New York.
My name is Gabriel DiStasio, and I'm from Chicago.
From Philadelphia, Valley Forge, actually, Pennsylvania.
We are from Stuart, Florida.
Orlando, Florida, or Maryland, if you know where that is. We're from Colorado.
Golden, Colorado.
Austin, Sarah, and we're from Vegas.
And we're from Ontario, Canada, a little town called Niagara-on-the-Lake.
Gordon Potter. I came from Seattle, Washington.
My name is Audrey, and I'm from Quebec, Canada.
Hi, I'm Ray Norman from Vancouver, Washington.
Jeanette Norman, Vancouver, Washington.
You guys from the same place?
Yeah.
Amazing!
Morning, Brady. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, good.
These people are awesome. Like, just spending time together and just diving and like getting to know everybody over a couple of days instead of just like really intense. It's super special.
It's the best way to do it.
Yeah, making some lifelong friends for sure.
Cool.
I never thought that we'd be able to get 20 strangers together and everybody not only get along well, but be so cool in their own individual ways. Like, just such unique people from all over the place with just, I don't know, a like-minded attitude. Age is irrelevant. Occupation is relevant. I don't think I heard anybody asking each other, oh, what do you do for a living? It just doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what's going on in your life outside of being here just to dive. It's really cool.
About scuba diving?
Yeah, why do you dive a lot?
Why do I dive a lot? Wrecks, bubbles, and relaxation.
coolest part, for me especially, is not just us meeting the patrons, but the patrons meeting themselves and like hanging out and getting along, and just to be able to see these strangers come together over random circumstances from all different walks of life that would have never met is such a rewarding feeling. And they're becoming friends and like exchanging numbers. And on our last dive, there was 2 buddy teams, and each one had something wrong on the separate teams, and instead of the buddy helping that person, the other buddy teams were helping them. And it was so cool to see like these guys that didn't know each other a couple days ago were helping each other out, and then the other people were helping each other instead of helping the wife out, you know. And to see that, and I don't know, it's just really, really cool.
Delos story is the story of the sea, the story of your the learning that you've done, your boat maintenance, your diving, your care of the ocean, and the care of the environment. And that's really come across in all your videos.
Because some people, when they hear about Patreon, they're like, "That's crazy that people just give you money." But why do you guys feel inclined to help us?
For me, it was just a given. I mean, I wanted to do it right away for a few reasons. One, I felt that the content was worth it. It's good entertainment for us personally. Not just entertainment, it's education. And it's been huge inspiration for us in terms of our sailing goals for the future. I got my PADI certification.
I came across a video of people living in a boat, enjoying their life. And I started following that for the past 3 years, and it's a therapy.
And you're not commercialized, so I mean, you don't. Your only way of income is through Patreon. So it's like almost like a history channel that's supported by the public. Here you can watch an episode commercial free. So it's
and support the creators directly.
Sweet. Well, we appreciate you guys more than you know.
We appreciate you too. It's a win, 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 win.
Yeah. Good morning, Gino.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Well, I'm fine. I'm talking to you live from Grenada. We've been here 4 days now and having a blast. I got to take a ride on Maggie, which was the highlight of my trip.
What's the vibe of Grenada so far?
Extremely good. The people are very friendly. The food is very good. The rum is very good. The company's been just fantastic. It's going to be hard to leave. Then I'm going to might start crying now.
Okay, I'll cut before we get to that point.
Okay. But before everyone left Grenada, we had one last thing to do. Even though Delos was on the hard, we wanted her to be a part of this trip as well. So we piled everyone into a couple of vans and headed for the boatyard.
Where are we?
We're at the boatyard, the Spice Island boatyard. Is that what it is?
That's it. Are you excited to see Delos?
Yeah, I do want to see Delos.
You already sailed on Delos, so I can't ask you.
I know, I'm a little spoiled.
Are you guys excited to see Delos?
Yes, I am. I got the theme music running through my head as I walk up to it.
I'm super excited.
Oh, nice.
Really, thank you for inviting us onto your home.
Of course.
It's really sweet.
Sorry, it's not in the water.
I heard it was a little dirty though too, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's been pretty project-y lately. It's pretty funny because I think that they've never experienced this many people trying to come into the yard at once, so we'll see what happens. What's the deal?
We're currently waiting for permission to. She's on the phone. It's going well though.
Is it?
I think we're gonna get through.
Nice. You think we're gonna get in?
We have to get in. There we go. The gate's open. Run!
Thank you.
Well, okay, she's small. Yeah. And Brian and Brady have said, and Karen have said many times, it's a small boat, and having so many people on board, it's a challenge.
Yeah.
And you have to be able to get along, and you have to be able to love each other.
Yeah. Sure looks beautiful. Yeah. But all boats love to be in the water, not sitting in the cradle.
Exactly.
Right.
What do you think about that bottom paint sitch?
You got some work to do.
Everyone signed a verbal liability form. Can I get a group yes? Yes? Okay, nice.
Welcome to Delos in the boatyard.
Wow.
Wow. It's like a boat, but in a yard.
That's right.
It's like weird.
Yeah, it's a little strange.
I might have to go down because I'm almost peeing my pants. You're not wearing any pants, Kat.
You're not wearing any pants.
Sea noise on the track.
Shots up!
Shots
Oh, welcome aboard, guys.
Thanks,
Make
Brian.
yourself as at home as you can in a boatyard.
I like the smell.
Yeah, it's a boat smell. It's just human sweat and dead skin cells rotting in tropical heat is what that is.
We'll be doing this again?
Yeah, we're definitely 100%. I'm already looking for the next spot to do a patron get together for sure. It's awesome. It's so much fun.
We're doing moonshine shots. We made this moonshine just before we put Delos away, about 4 months ago. And now we're having a little taste testing. I hope it goes okay. I haven't tasted it yet, but it smells good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice. Get your liquor in ya. Get your moonshine in ya.
Yeah, it's so cool because when we invite patrons to the boat, we can get 1 or 2 at a time, and it's just not enough. You feel like it's just not enough. So next time we'll have Delos in the water, and we'll do it somewhere where we'll have a big group and we can go out sailing and then come back and do some diving and have a good mix.
Good moonshine. This is good.
Maybe I won't taste yours. I don't know. I'm not gonna get any.
How's it? All right, that's it. Time to get back to work. We had a week off. We got to get back to editing and working and everything else.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, patrons, for everything. You're the best. You're the best.
All right.
See you on the next dive.
Woo!
I hear a rumor that you're not going to get on your plane ticket back to Canada.
I really hope not to get on my plane next week. I met a lot of amazing people here since I've been here, so I will maybe try to find a boat and hitchhike to somewhere. I don't know where.
All I can do is give you a huge high five because that's awesome.
Thank you.